So today we are going to dye our hair with the Lime Crime Unicorn Hair Tint in Cloud, which is a purpley blue. And I have used this a couple of times, but I've always mixed it with something else. So today we're just going to straight up do this. Also, I had kind of a rough day, which is always a good motivator to mess with my hair. Because what day isn't rough? Sorry, this stuff smells good. That's a weird thing to do. Okay. It's purpley blue. And cloud, I mean, that doesn't really help, right? Clouds are like white. Anywho, let's do this. So I'm going to leave it in for an hour. Which is the plan. And I'm going to put a plastic bag over my head. Not entirely, not over my face. Unless the moment, takes me. And I'm going to leave it in for an hour. That's usually what they recommend. And I do think that putting like the bag over it helps it stay like moist. So I feel like it does a better job. Like I feel like when it dries and hardens, the color usually doesn't turn out as great. But again, who am I? All right, so I don't have my bowl right now that I usually put my hair dye in. So I'm just going to put it all into my hand. I'm going to use my little pink brush. And here we go. Okay, so now that I'm putting it on, it looks purple. Which I feel like is why I used to usually use it, but... And I like my multicolored brush, but this one is smaller, and I feel like even though the other one's really cute, this is more precise. Not that I'm doing anything all that precise, but you know what I mean. All right. Also, I'm getting to the end of this, so I don't think I'm going to run out because I don't have much hair, but it's possible. Wouldn't that be fun? For your viewing pleasure, here is half my head dyed purple. That would just really top off my rough day. Okay, we are fully coated, looking great-ish. So I will wait an hour, rinse out, and let you guys know what it looks like. Wish me luck. Love it. I think it's so cute and it looks so nice. It feels great. I left it an hour. Rinse out with lukewarm water. Don't shampoo. And it says wait, obviously shampoo as infrequently as possible. And it said to leave it in for at least 30 minutes. And then it said if you wanted a darker, more vivid color, you should leave it in for 1 to 2 hours. So I did 1 hour, which I think was a good decision. And yeah, I think it's really pretty. And again, it smells nice, rinsed out nicely. And I feel like the color is really pretty. So I'll let you know in the description box below how it washes. I know some of these it's a good and a bad thing that sometimes you only get like 3 or 4 washes out of it. Anyways, okay, thank you guys so much for watching.